Hello my dear ones, welcome back again, and today as you can see here we are going to learn how to write letters V and W. Okay, so let's move ahead and learn. First of all, V for van. You can see here two vans. So V for van, and V for vase. It is a flower vase. You can see here vase. In this vase we keep flowers. Okay, so V for vase. Then V for vulture. V for vulture. You can see vultures in these two pictures, and this is the way you have to write cursive small v. Okay, now we will learn and practice how to write letter V. First, children will practice to write letter V, and then we will write in the 4-line page. So, you just follow how Miss is writing and learn according to that. So, starting from down to up, then again down, up, and then turn up like this. Cursive small V. Again, starting from down, go up, down, again up, and then turn like this, upside only. Again I will show you down, up, and then again turn. Okay, and see that you do not write like this. This is the wrong method. Okay, and this is the right method. Again you see, starting from down you have to take up, then again come down, up, and then slight turn upside. So now children, we will write in 4-line book. This is your cursive small letter notebook, and in that you have to open V alphabet. Okay, 2 pages of V and 2 pages of W you have to write. So write neatly in good handwriting and follow the lines. So now let's see how you will write in the 4-line page. So lines are given here. You have to follow these lines. Red line, then 2 blue lines, and then again red line. So you have to write alphabet V in these 2 blue lines, between the 2 blue lines. So starting from the second blue line down, up, and then down, up, and then slight turn upside. Then again like this only you have to write. From the down blue line, up, and then down, up, and then turn. Alphabet V. Up, down, up, and then slight turn. Okay, your writing should be inside the blue lines only. Okay, so this is the wrong method. Okay, you don't have to write like this, or your writing should not go out of the blue line. So this is also wrong. You have to write according like this first line only, how Miss has written. Now next we will learn W. W for watch. W for watch. Beware watch in our hands here. So W for watch. These are two watches you can see here. And then next W for wolf. This is a picture of wolf. You can see here two wolves. W for wolf. Next W for watermelon. It is a fruit. It is red from inside and green from outside. And you can see W for watermelon. But in this picture you can see watermelon and a watch. So W for watermelon and W for watch. So see, like this you have to follow the pattern and write cursive small w. Like this you have to follow. So now first we will practice to write W in a plain page. So now we will practice and then we will write in the 4 line. So now down, up, down and then turn. Alphabet W. See, you have to write like this. W for watch. Again down to up, then down, again up, down, up and then turn. And children, this is the wrong method. Okay? In continuation you have to write W like this. Okay? So this is your cursive small notebook. In this 2 pages of W are given. So you have to follow the lines and write in neat and clean handwriting. First you have to write here in the dotted lines, then on your own you have to fill the page. Okay? So this is your 4-line page. So we will start from the second blue line. Between the 2 blue lines you have to write alphabet W, starting from down, up, down, up, down and then turn. W. Again from starting from down blue line, up, down, and then turn. Again we will see, be careful in writing. Up, down, up and then turn. Okay, alphabet W. And your writing should not go out of the blue line. This is wrong. Okay, so like this, first line only you have to write alphabet W. So children, I hope you all understood how to write alphabet V and W. So remember, you have to write between the 2 blue lines in a clean and neat handwriting and send the homework. Bye and have a good day.